Kids, are you eating some Takis? You're gonna have a dancing tongue all day. But anyways, I wanna go to the morning pool so we can get some exercise. So, if I haven't done number 6 yet, then let's do this shit. So, number 6, swimming. Swimming can be a hot day for it. And we can also swim. It gives you the benefit to fall in the pool. That's gonna be relaxing. Including raging rivers. They have a wave pool, to be honest. So that's a part of swimming. Okay, kids, don't forget your sunblock. Alrighty. Have fun. Rock. Hey, stop running. Hey, can I have some Takis?